Good morning, guys. Welcome to class. Kind of. Anyways, I just wanted to go over a few things online and what you should be doing. But I just want to say, fifth grade, you are doing awesome. Majority of you are completing your assignments. So good job. And let me show you what it looks like on my end. So if you look, okay, let me show you something first. On Brain Pop, here are all of your assignments for today. Wheel and axle, lever pulley, and the St. Patrick's Day assignment. Here, not only will I get the grades, but I'll also see how many of you are doing what you're supposed to be doing. So make sure you get on there. I'm assuming you guys are still sleeping. But try to get it done in the morning time, or at least by the end of the school day. Next, Zern. So here's what it looks like on my end for Zern. I can see how many of you are completing the assignment at what time and with what accuracy and like how fast you were doing it. So as you could see, all of these little ones mean that they completed one whole lesson. Some of you looks like you didn't complete the lesson. So if you could go back and try to complete it. Today you're doing lesson 11. So please take your time. I shouldn't see people doing this at 9 o'clock p.m. Try to do it in the morning hours when your brain is super fresh. Lastly, I wanted to show you my website. Every morning, you should be logging into your Google Classroom and looking over all of the stuff I post for the day. So every day for religion, I'm going to post some type of reflection, prayer, and response. At the bottom where it says add class comment, you need to type something in response to what you just read. And most of the time, there's a closing question, or if you want to say something in reaction to the reflection, either one works. Next, for writing, you guys are continuing to work on your paper. Some of you already turned it in, so great job. It's the same exact thing we did last week with persuasive writing, intro, 3 body paragraphs, conclusion. The science is easier today. You just have to go into your Brain Pop account, watch 3 videos, do all the quizzes, vocab sheets, yada, yada, yada. Everybody's password is Agnes2019. And lastly, math. Like I said, Zern. And also make sure you're doing your homework, because that's a real test to see, oh, was I paying attention to the Zern lesson? Can I do this on my own? This is your education you need to be in charge of. Be responsible and smart. A lot of people, like, this is almost what it looks like to be when college kids take online courses. Yeah, it kind of feels like, oh, you got a little bit of freedom, you get to work from home, but you need to be setting aside the time, maybe take a few hours each morning to get all your work done, stay focused, not distracted, okay? Make sure you're trying your best to understand what material you need to know, because as far as math goes, you cannot be going behind in 5th grade math. You need to be ready to move on to 6th grade. So I know this kind of seems like, oh, yay, we get to stay at home. But you're now kind of in charge of your learning. I mean, and if your parents are telling you or helping you, but maybe more on your end. So stay responsible, stay great, and have a great day. Happy St. Patrick's Day, guys.